In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to go from $0 to over $3,000 a week with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, but you will have to stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing some websites that we never used before in the past. And I'm going to show you a free traffic source that's going to allow you to get free traffic for a lifetime and allow you to earn passive income with affiliate marketing. So if that's something you want to learn, be sure to watch the full video to the end and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you the fastest way to go from $0 to $3,000 a week with affiliate marketing. And this is the website that we're going to use in order to make money with this affiliate marketing strategy. And the traffic source that we'll be using gets close to 600 million views every single month. And most of those visits are coming from top tier countries, as you can see, the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia, which is really good because it means that you can target top tier countries to get more affiliate sales with this particular strategy. So now that you know that, let's jump into the step-by-step process. So step number 1 is to go over to digistore24.com, and this is an affiliate marketplace. But you could use any affiliate marketplace like ClickBank. I'm just using Digistore24 because it's really simple, easy to use, worldwide, and they have good products. So what you want to do is just click on Start Now. It's free to sign up. And then you just want to enter some basic information about yourself. Like right here, vendor and affiliate. You would just be an affiliate because you'll be selling other people's products. Then you want to create a username for yourself, enter your credentials, some demographics, fill everything out here, check this box off, and then just click register for free now. And now you've created your Digistore24 account. So step number 1 is to sign up to an affiliate marketplace. So for step number 2, you want to go onto the marketplace so you can start browsing different affiliate offers. So here on the left, we have all kinds of different categories. We have animals and pets, betting systems, education, email marketing, dance and music, home and garden. But the products that we're going to be focusing on in this video is the green products and environment protection. And this is the particular offer that I'm going to focus on in this video. And by the way, the same strategy works for any affiliate offer that you want to promote and in any niche, whether that's beauty, health and fitness, psychology. So this strategy really works for anything that you want to promote. But I'm just going to use this one as an example. And if you actually go here and open up the sales page to this product, you will see that this is actually going to help people save money. I think up to $1,000 every year on electricity if they use this tool. And I'm actually going to show you that if you go to the affiliate support page and scroll down a little bit to see the email swipes, you'll see that the subject line is save $975 a year on power using this no-brainer MIT discovery. And you can check it out here. It looks kind of interesting. And when people see that they could save up to $1,000 a year, they're going to see this as a potential investment. And that's really good. It's going to cost them about $40 or something like that. And if they could save $40 a year, it's really a no-brainer. And that's why this offer converts so good, because it saves money for other people and they see this as kind of an investment. So what I'm going to do now is just grab my affiliate link. You could do the same thing. You may have a blue button that says promote now. Just click on that. You don't have to wait or anything. You should get your affiliate link right away. And you just want to click on it, highlight it, and copy it. And then you can start sharing this with other people and start making money with this affiliate offer. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now for step number 3, you just want to go over to Google and you want to find some money saving tips and articles. So I'm just going to search for money saving tips, and then we have this first article here, 10 best ways to save money. So basically you just want to read through it and see if it's any good, and if it's good, you could just copy the link to that article. And then it's on to step number 4, so you want to go to exitbar.io. And this is not the last website that we'll be using, so just stick with me. There are other websites that we'll be using. But the reason ExitBar is so effective is because basically it's a free tool that allows you to create a call to action for free. So basically you can create your own call to action with your own links in it. And this is really important for this affiliate marketing strategy. And it can actually get you a lot of sales. So first things first, you want to find engaging content, which we already did because we have our article here. And now you can just set up your pop-up. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then you can share it. And before somebody gets a chance to read that article, they're basically going to see your pop-up first. And if they click on it, then they could sign up. And in this case, you make money with your affiliate offer. And they get the chance to save about $1,000 a year on power. And you're going to make $24 per person that you refer. So if you refer 100 people, that's about $2,200. And if you refer 1,000, that's a lot of money that you could be making with affiliate marketing. But first things first, you just want to sign up with exitbar.io. So just go to sign up. And then here you don't have to worry about paying anything. You can start up completely for free. And then you just want to go through and fill out your email, name, country. And as you can see, they're all over the world, basically. Create a password, check off terms and conditions, and get started now. And once you sign up, you want to click on create link. So now you can create a call to action that's going to allow you to make money. So for this URL, you're going to have to paste the link to the article that you found on Google. So I'm just going to come over here, copy this link, go back to Exit Bar, and just paste it in here. And then just click go. And once you do that, now you can start customizing this. So I'm just going to enter the link name, and I'm just going to call it Saving Money. And then a pop-up type is going to be redirect. And it doesn't contain any adult content, so I'm going to check that off and just go on to the next step. Now this is pretty easy and straightforward. Here we're just going to use our heading, and what I'm going to do is use the heading from the affiliate page. So I'm just going to go here and copy the subject and paste that in as my heading. And for the example text, I'm just going to do the same thing. And the redirect delay, I wouldn't put it on 30 seconds, but I would take it down to something like 10 seconds. So basically, when they click on the link that we're getting ready to create, your pop-up would be there for 10 seconds. This will give them plenty of time to read the title here. Well, it's really up to you. You can set this for 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 or 30. But I say around 10 to 15 seconds is pretty good. That gives them plenty of time to read the heading and decide if they want to click through to the offer or not. And then you could also choose a logo, which I highly recommend. It'll look more professional, also be branded. And then here you could change around the colors and everything. I mean, if you leave all black and gray, I think that is, it doesn't really jump out at them. It'll really help if you add a little bit of color. So what you could do is you could just click on this and you could change it to red, and then you could come over here and slide this down if you wanted it blue or green. And you could just play around with the colors and make it look really nice. So basically you just want to put in some colors, something that's going to grab their attention. And after that, you could just select the button text, and I'm just going to make it the same thing. Save $975 a year on power using this no-brainer MIT discovery. And then for the button URL, this is the most important part, because basically when they click on that button, this is going to take them to the affiliate offer. So you want to go back to Digistore 24 and copy that affiliate link. And you want to go back here and paste that in as your button URL. So now when people click on that button, it will take them straight to your affiliate offer. So this is the most important part, because if you don't do this part, you won't make any money with this affiliate marketing strategy. And once you do that, then you could go on to the next step. And then finally, you could go ahead and generate a link for step number 4. And then you could just copy this to preview it. So as you can see, this is what it looked like. There's a 10-second countdown. Then you put your little logo there, and you see I made that green. And then this is the button that they click on to go to the affiliate offer. So if they click on that, it takes them to your affiliate offer. And if they don't click on it, then it takes them right to the article. And all in all, this is a blog post that they can read for completely free, and it shares 10 of the best ways to save money. So now what we can do is we could go back to exitbar.io and share that link that we made. And we could say, hey, I got an article that shares 10 of the best ways to save money. And when they go onto that page, they're going to see a massive call to action with your affiliate link also. So now you just need to start driving traffic to the link that you made. So what I did was I just went back to my account, just click here for your dashboard and go here to manage links. So we have the first link here, and I could just copy that. And I could start sharing this link with other people to start driving traffic to this link and start making money with my affiliate offer. So let's go on to traffic source number 1, which is answers.com. And this traffic source is being visited by about 6 million people every single month. And this is basically a platform where people come to ask and answer specific questions. So you could just go into the search bar and you could just type in how to save money. And then you just want to tick Q&A. And you're going to see a lot of different people asking the same question. And you could start responding to all of these people with a link to that blog post that shares 10 good tips to save money, or whatever blog post that you may be sharing. But in this case, it's going to be 10 tips to save money. And you could just say, hey, I have an awesome blog post that really helped me out. It shares 10 awesome tips to save money. And here's a link to it. And basically, you're just providing value for free. You're not being salesy. You're not being pushy. And the article that you're sharing is free. So you could just share that link. And then before they get to the article, they'll actually get your pop-up that's going to have that call to action on there. And it gives them the chance to click through to your affiliate offer. And this is how you make sales. So this is basically traffic source number one, which is answers.com. And you can sign up for free. And you could just start replying to people's answers, giving them the link to that free article with the opportunity for them to click through to your affiliate offer. The second traffic source is really similar, but it gets a lot more traffic. As you can see here, it's getting close to 600 million views every single month. And this is Quora.com. This is basically the website that we were talking about in the intro. It has most of the traffic coming from top tier countries. And if you go over to Quora and sign up for a free account, you can also search on Quora like you can on answers.com. So this is also another platform where people come to ask and answer specific questions. So I can just go into the search bar and I can type how to save money and enter. And I could find millions of people who's interested in saving money on this website, and I could start replying to them and sharing my link with them. And I would just say the same thing that I was saying on answers.com. Hey, I have an awesome blog post that really helped me out. It shares 10 awesome tips to really help you save money. You can read it for free. Here's a link to it. And that's really it. And that reply is going to stay on Quora forever. So if somebody asks the same question in the future, they can still see my reply with the link and it's still providing value. And you could keep making passive income with affiliate marketing if you set this up properly. And another good thing about Quora is because it's a massive website for asking questions, it's really ranking good on Google. So if you were to type any of these questions in on Google, it's likely that Quora is actually going to show up first, which is really good. So you're basically ranking number one on Google when you reply to these questions without creating your own website and without investing thousands of dollars in SEO or learning SEO. So that's why these two traffic sources work so well with this particular offer. But it does take some work, time, and effort to set this up properly. You would basically need to start replying to all of these people and do it consistently and test out different messages and headlines in order to make this work properly, but it can really turn into a really good form of passive income once you start replying to all of these different people on Answers and Quora.com. And you're all set. I hope this idea stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, please feel free to comment below. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my number one recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.